Hello, guys. Yeah, sorry, it's not the Parson series. It is not the ophthalmology at a glance, but it is something very, very important because as you uh, g- go on very near to your examination, I start getting two kind of messages. One is regarding the strategy. You people are worried because ma'am, my 8 subjects are left, 10 subjects are left, only I have done this much. Will I be able to complete? I am messed up. My colleagues are getting very good scores in GTs. Will I be able to make? So obviously there is a lot of self-doubt. And between this, when you don't have time even to complete your course, and you are falling short of time, you have certain issues regarding personal relationships, and especially in this Valentine week, I have seen like the couples coming together and departing, and both of it is actually taking your time and toll, and both of them is distracting. If I would say that coming together may not disturb the time you are spending a good quality time with your friends. Obviously after studying that much, we require some good quality time with our friends. We all require friends, but at least don't bother yourself with a lot of hus with your relationships. Don't get affected too much if there is some fight, or somebody don't want to talk to you, or somebody is yelling you at you that you are not giving that much time, or somebody has said something to you, because this time won't come again. The relationships can wait, but the time won't come again. And if he or she is truly a friend of yours, I think they should understand that what you are going through. Now there are two things. Either way, you will be a winner here, because if they are able to understand you, okay, talk to them once, take full time, talk to them once. If they are able to understand you, I think you are done. And if they are not able to understand you, so if they are not getting you, they are not able to support you even in this critical time when you require their support to the maximum, I think they should not be in your life. So either you win or you learn a lesson, that whom should you be taking in your life, and whom you should be departing from. And you should definitely consider your decision. I think these things should not affect your life, your career, because your life is not only yours. The life is also the inspiration for many of your juniors. It is inspiration for your brothers and sisters, and it is a hope for your parents and your teachers who have already worked hard upon you. And there is some responsibility that lies on you for their hopes, beliefs. Okay, don't fall upon the tiny things, petty things. Don't think that your life is finished here. This is very, very important. I know that these things actually do hurt, and they matter a lot, especially the time where like you people are passing through. We all have passed that time, so we can understand that it really hurts, and it becomes difficult to concentrate and focus at your work when we are mentally stressed out. So you have to understand clearly that relationships are a part of life, they are not the end of life. So whatever you are learning, whatever you are getting through your hard work, your name, your PG seat, that is going to remain with you, whether you are good or bad, whether you are feeling motivated or demotivated. It's never going to leave you. Your parents, they are your real friends. They are never going to leave you, however bad you are at them, however wrong you may be, but they will be there. So you have to understand that who is real and who is fake. Okay, and you also have to balance it, how much amount of importance you have to give to a particular relationship, especially at that point of time where you are really lacking time, and you should know your priorities, where to focus and where not to focus. So I would say say that now it's not the time that I give you a strategy. Okay, I remember Shahrukh Khan saying कि वो 70 मिनट में हॉकी कैसे खेलनी है अब वो नहीं बताएगा. तो आई कैन नॉट से कि अब डू एनाटॉमी फॉर दीज डेज, फिजियोलॉजी फॉर दीज डेज एंड बायोकेमिस्ट्री फॉर दीज डेज. You are your best judge. You know, be very very truthful. Close all the doors for everything apart, you and your books now. Okay, sit and in quietly peaceful condition, try to analyze. Okay, jot down everything on a paper and see what you have done, what you are left with. Be realistic. Whatever is left now, see which you cannot afford to leave. Okay, take that first, and whatever you feel that this has been left, and that is most important thing, do that first. Then second important thing, stop comparing yourself with the other people. Like, you should be your own comparison. Okay, nobody will write the paper for you. Their preparation will help them and your preparation will help you. Okay, don't compare that friend has done these many subjects, I have done this, so what will be happening. Okay, nobody is there to judge you now. Whatever you get the score in the final papers, only that will matter and that will help you. Okay, so don't see this. You should be your own competition. Every day make a goal that I'll do better today. Okay, now you have got approximately, you know, still you have got 2 months, because if I have a paper on 18th of April, I have got you know, 18th Feb to 18th March, and then 18th March to 18th of April. Okay, now from this take the 10 days out and you have got 50 days. You have got 50 days because we can leave 10 days for any plus and minus, for the final revision and your volatile things to see that. Now from these 50 days you can divide, like as I said, that everybody is best at his or her timetable, but if you do not have any timetable, no problem, you can go with this. Then you have got 50 days, and from this 50 days you can divide it into 2 parts, 30 days and then 20 days. So first 30 days, try to complete any backlog that you have left. So anything that you have left, reading and anything, tidbits here or any of the short subject, whatever is left, try to finish it off at the earliest and then start the revision. Okay, so that you are done with at least 2 revisions. I think, you know, the main thing is that you are not able to recall. If you are finishing your course late, the main problem is that you are not able to revise, and recall is the main problem that you face then. Okay, so be very very positive and alert about this thing. Complete your course fast in the first 30 days, and whenever you complete, suppose you took 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, anything, then start the revision. Okay, now there will be advantage if you are left with less of the subjects. You are able to complete your course faster in the first 30 days. You can start the revision, and then by and large maybe you are able to do the revision in this 30 days, and you are there with another 20 days. There you can do one more revision, and even if you are not having you know, first revision in the first 30 days, not a problem. You take 1 month. Okay, complete everything that is left and then do the revision in the 20 days. Now suppose you are done with the first reading and you are revising. Okay, you are in a better position and you are revising in the first 30 days, then you can take the maximum advantage of all the, you know, examination related videos that are coming up. The Parsons Pearls you have got last year papers, AIM series I have shared, then the fundus images. All these are very very high yield ophthalmology at a glance, so you can take the advantage of these videos. And I am not saying that you know, spend 2-3 hours in watching this. Just keep a very small amount of time. That is why I am limiting the duration of these videos to 30 minutes at max, so that you can only the fundus images is little longer, because that was quite a number of images were very long and that was high yield, and I could not you know, escape any of the images. So that also you can see in 2 parts. So keep only 30 to 40 minutes every day for kind of revising. So if you are revising, you know, retina, you can see the fundus images. If you are revising the squint, you can see the Maddox rod and ocular motility. So like this you can keep on revising. It's not that those things are not in your what you call as notes. Everything is in your notes, but the thing is that the motivation and the discipline is always required, because in the classes we have that motivation, we have that discipline, and that is lacking when you are at home, sitting at home. So you can like me, sitting in front of you and watching the video, and you can keep in revising your notes, so that gives you a constant motivation, you know. And even if you are like little tired, you can keep your earphones handy and you can keep listening to it, so that will also give you a kind of revision. Because many times, like those people who are actually revising while talking, so we get dry mouth, and at times we don't feel like talking much. So that time also you can keep your earphones on, and you are not wasting the time, even if you are like walking. Because so as the exams are coming, we know we get less of time to spend on ourselves, our you know, workout and all. But I would say don't just stop it. You can, you know, restrict your time, don't give that much of time, but at least, you know, 15 to 20 minutes in the morning, 15 to 20 minutes in the evening, whatever time you are comfortable. And if you are able to give both the timings, then that is very good. So at least give some time. You can keep your headphones on, and while walking only, you can finish up one of the videos. So you will feel refreshed, because you have you know, done a good part to your body as well as the mind. You have learned something in that. And कहते हैं ना कि हंसते हंसते खेलते खेलते पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. So don't take it as a load. Whatever you have studied, take it in a positive manner, hold it on, okay, don't let it fall loose, and try to take the grip of as many topics, as many subjects you can. Because even if you are you know, very far from the goal, even if you feel that you have done less of the subjects, at least you are much ahead of those people who have actually done surrender, and who have not started it. So take the positive aspect. ग्लास कितना भरा हुआ है वो देखो, खाली वाला देखकर हमेशा हम डिमोटिवेट होते हैं. और जो बिगेस्ट चैलेंज है इन द preparation, I think, is the lack of motivation and self-doubt. So keep your spirits high, okay, don't listen to anybody. If you remember, once I shared the story also, that that frog was able to win who was dumb. So be dumb to all your negativities. These negativities can be in your environment, in your relationships, in your friends, in yourself also, okay. So say no to all the negativities, and you know, pledge with me today that I will try my best. I won't think that no, up to we have left with so many subjects and time is very less. You never know what the nature has kept a reserve for you, okay. So be positive, keep on working hard, and I think I don't need to say this, that I am just a message away. And I have talked to so many people on phone calls also, on messages also, messengers, so many platforms, about so many relationship problems, okay. So I think I have talked about it. Please don't worry about it. If there is something that actually belongs to you, will definitely come back to you. और अगर वो नहीं आता तो समझ लो कि वो कभी आपका था ही नहीं. तो that is very very important. You have to be mature enough to understand your life, what is important in your life, and what will actually stay in your life, and what are the owners of your life, okay. You don't just owe a good partner, you owe to your parents, your brothers, sisters, and every family member, well-wishers also, okay. I'm not saying that fight with them, okay, don't fight with them unnecessarily, but if you feel that they are not able to understand, okay, then you have got better things to do on not just to waste your time in justify yourself, okay. If they really care for you, you don't need to justify yourself, okay. So please be very very careful, and all the best. God bless you for your preparation. Thank you.